how to add member tag in WhatsApp group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add member tag in WhatsApp group. Let's dive right in. So open up your WhatsApp and then you need to go to the group, uh, open up the group profile, and then scroll down. And under your name, you can see add member tag. Just tap on it, and you can put in the member tag. Like example, you can see Faith's parents, manager, beginner, admin, anything of your choice, and then hit save. So you can just put in, it will appear like this. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.